Good morning, my dear kids. I hope you all are keeping fine and safe in your home, aren't you? Okay. Today we can start our English class. In the last class we started studying our story. What is the name of our story? Monkey Trouble. Then what all we studied? We studied about a monkey called Tutu, and grandfather bought Tutu from a street entertainer for 10 rupees. Then he bought Tutu to the home. Then at first grandmother refused to keep the monkey. Why? She said to grandfather that you already have enough pets. What are the pets that are there with grandfather? What are the pets? Several white mice are there. Then goats are there and small tortoises are there with grandfather. Then we can continue our story. But I don't have any, I said. Then the author said that grandfather already have white mice, goat, and what? White mice are there, goat. Then small tortoise also is there with grandfather. Then our author said, I don't have any pets with me. Then what our grandmother said, you are mischievous enough for 2 monkeys. You are very naughty enough for 2 monkeys in the home. There is no need for keeping pets. You already are very naughty. One boy in the house is all I can take. I can afford only one boy in the house. Why? Because grandmother thinks that boys are very mischievous than girls. But Tutu is not a boy, said grandfather. Then grandfather said to grandmother that Tutu is not a boy, she is a girl monkey. Grandmother gave in. At last our grandmother agreed to keep the Tutu in the house. She had always wanted a little girl in the house. She believed girls were less mischievous than boys. As Tutu is a female monkey, our grandmother agreed to keep Tutu in the home. Why? Because she thinks that, or she believed that girls are less mischievous than boys. Mischievous means naughty than boys. Tutu was going to prove her wrong. Tutu is going to prove boys are less mischievous than, girls are less mischievous than boys. Why? Because Tutu is very mischievous, or she has a naughty character. She was a pretty little monkey, or Tutu was a very beautiful, pretty means beautiful. Her bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His eyes were twinkling or sparkling because of his naughty character. She had a wide grin which showed her pearly white teeth and terrified Aunt Ruby. She always had a wide grin. Wide grin means broad smile in her face, and she smiled always showing her white teeth also. Seeing the white teeth of the little monkey, there is a aunt in the home named Ruby. Ruby was very afraid of seeing the smile of the monkey. Why? Because our monkey had a white teeth or a broad smile. She will smile always showing her white pearly teeth. And Ruby is seeing the smile. She became frightened. Why? Because she was afraid of monkeys. And Ruby was very afraid of our little girl monkey Tutu. One of the first things I thought to do was to shake hands. Then our author first of all thought Tutu to shake hands. And she insisted on doing this with all who visited the house. As the author thought Tutu to shake hand, our Tutu always wanted to give shake hand with whoever is coming to the house. Whoever is coming to the house, Tutu will always give a shake hand to them. shake hands with Tutu before she would enter the room. Otherwise, Tutu would climb onto his shoulder and stay there playing with his hair and mustache. Then there is a friend of grandfather called Major Malik. Whenever Major Malik visits the house, our Tutu want to give shake hand to him. Otherwise, what will she do? She will climb to the shoulders of home Major Malik and play with his hair and mustache. Do you understand? Whenever the grandfather's friend Major Malik visits the house, our Tutu want to shake hand with him. Otherwise, what will the Tutu do? Tutu will climb to the Major Malik's shoulders and she will play with his hair and mustache. Her tail worked as a third hand and added to her good looks. The monkey always do something with his tail. Our Tutu has a long tail and she always use his tail as a hand. Grandfather believed a tail would add to animal's good look, and grandfather is saying that this tail is a very good, beautiful thing for the little monkey. That is, the tail added the beauty of Tutu. Do you understand? Let us revise what we studied. The name of our story is Monkey Trouble, and the main character in the story is a little girl monkey. What is her name? Tutu. And grandfather bought Tutu from a street entertainer, and grandfather brought him to the home. Then our grandmother refused to keep monkeys in the home. Why? Because grandfather already have different unusual pets with him. What are the pets already have with grandfather? He have white mice, tortoise, then goats are also with grandfather. Then our boy or the author is saying to grandmother that I don't have pets. Then grandmother said to him that you already are very mischievous, no need of pets in the house. Then our grandfather said that Tutu is not a boy, she is a girl monkey. Why? Because grandmother believed that girls are less mischievous than boys. Then our Tutu was a little pretty beautiful monkey, and she always smiled and showing his white pearly teeth. Then our author teach him to shake hand. Then whenever the grandfather's friend Major Malik visit the house, our Tutu want to give shake hand to him. Otherwise, what will she do? She will climb the shoulders of Major Malik, and what happened? The Tutu will play with his hair and mustache. Then what happened there? Then our Tutu has a very long tail, and she will use the tail as the hand sometimes. And grandfather is saying that that long tail is very beautiful for Tutu. Do you all of you understand the story up to this? Do all of you understand? Then if you have any doubt, then you can clear me by asking personally, okay? Then this is for today's class. Thank you, my dear children.